are heading to the junkyard. We're gonna check out the TSX that we looked at previously. And just like that, y'all, a little extra content for y'all. Nice. Cars are out. So y'all, this is what we came here for. Just to see about these axles, and it looks, I mean, it looks pretty decent. I mean, it looks pretty good. So let's see if we can start taking some of this shit off. Oh, fucking side skirts here. Ah, look at the tabs are broken and shit. Yo, and you could see these were like newer axles installed at one point, or it's just never been touched, because like, look, the axle nut is all split in one go right there, like just one bang, marked off. So who knows, we gonna get this shit off. Life. See us, gang, been needing an axle, so I'm about to get me one right now. Oh, just this is Alright, popped that out a lot easier than I expected. I was like, ooh, I don't got my other pry bar, just got this long flathead. But it actually is easier with the automatic transmissions with this flat pry bar. You literally just have to put it in there, it's nice and flat, and give it a good force, and it popped right out. And I was like, oh shit, did not expect all this transmission fluid to burst out. Yeah, these things are nice, never been touched.
Damn, I have so much damn training fluid for me.
Damn, this thing's cool. Just like that. I got some nice OEM axles. What I need to start doing, if you guys need parts and stuff too, let me know. I want to start going to the junkyard, start finding things, start selling my shit. You know, we have the platform. I just made the TSX Nerds Marketplace group, so
who knows, you guys are gonna probably see some parts up.
Yeah, like,
come shop.
I want to start providing for the community, helping each other out, and kind of just posting stuff up, you know. So we got these axles, $32 each. Everywhere I look, people are trying to charge 120, 130, 150 for axles. So anytime I find any TSX, this is what I'm gonna be doing, you know? Start selling them. Because it's hard coming by the OEM ones, especially clean. And like, it's like I got some rust on it, but like the boots, everything looks pretty damn good and solid.
Yeah. Another. Thankfully, usually we don't, it was cleaner than most, to the point where we actually got something, because usually we just walk the fuck out. Yeah. we don't even like, we don't. You can go straight for a few lights until we take a right onto.
Look at that face. Look at that face. Came back with some good stuff. I'm happy about that. So now I'm gonna actually pop that axle in that it's needed on the passenger side. Pair of axles, that's a steal. So yeah, this is why I needed an axle really bad. I swapped out from the aftermarket one because like the inner joint seemed to be loosey-goosey, but the outer joint on this OEM one is loosey-goosey. You could just hear it, see how much is moving. I could hear it on this one. Nothing.
No, the people are gonna be like, he's not really testing it. That's not real.
That's not real. It's not the same test.
I mean, same axles.
Same OEM. So that is why we needed that, because it was shaking like a motherfucker, and it was not a pleasant ride. So
that can cause more
on
issues.
top of, like, I don't know how well balanced or maybe bent or whatever these wheels are. They're just powder coated white, and so yeah, very big issue on the TSX is very common. So it may be your axles, y'all, or it could be your half shaft bearing, like my other videos and stuff, and got people talking. It's like, oh, that's not a good representation. Motherfucker, regardless, it is a problem. So if it ain't in your axle, do your half shaft bearing, or if you haven't done any other suspension, and these are old cars, man, so just gotta do the maintenance.
You need any assistance?
A little bit.
I was gonna let you show that you could do it all by yourself, but I was like, nah.
It fucking hurts, bro.
It might be a small thing.
So we got the axle in. Just putting this shit on because it keeps falling off. So, leaking some oil. I recently replaced the oil pressure switch, and it doesn't seem like it's coming through there. I almost feel like it's coming back through the VTEC solenoid up in there. And I did do that with the valve cover and all that, but it was like a cheaper kit, Amazon or something. It was like an off-brand of Felpro, and it's already disintegrating. So that's what kind of seems like is leaking, but I don't know. Could be more, but I feel like that's what's leaking.
Red Bull, Great Goose, not a lady.
So y'all, we're back here. Happy Sunday. Back in the Rish driveway. Doing some TSX work per usual. But I started putting this interior more back together. She wiped it down, cleaned it up again. And now I'm just gonna make sure I button down the tabs with that stuff, the vents, and yeah, put the carpet back in, get some seats in, get it more together, and then start focusing more on the exterior and buy some stuff like motor mounts and shit like that. Welcome to the TSX adventures and driveway in the garage. Oh, fun. This we're gonna get back to and have to get after though, real soon. Damn. That's wild. Trying to flip it up. There we are. Look at that, y'all. It's looking like a car again. Oh man, progress. Some things aren't fully perfect, and some things need to be still bought and messed with, vents and shit like that. Radio, new navy, but it's coming together again.
Exterior is the next journey.
Yeah, and it's about buying some like motor mounts and be able to set the motor back in. I think I might just buy some like cheaper Rock Auto stock kind of mounts, unless I find someone selling some like innovative solid mounts kind of thing for a good price. You know, that's if I find something like soon. If not, then I'll just buy that. Yeah, I don't have any other motor mounts sitting around. Innovatives that I did, like, you know, got destroyed in this accident, so making some progress. Beautiful Sunday out. Pretty soon we'll be getting after this thing.
I never take a day off, work around the clock, my engineer getting paid off. Rock like Ace up, light the weed and take off.